Does Ethernet over power lines work well for home networking? I'm considering putting a computer in my garage, geek alert, and my wireless signal is simply too weak to get through all of the concrete, steel, etc. I've seen products at Fry's for Ethernet over power lines, but have not tried it. Is this a good solution for home use? This URL.
I have one of those, or at least, something similar made by Netgear, and it's a bit of a hit and miss. When it works well. You don't get full gigabit speeds, but it's still faster and more reliable than wireless. On the other hand, it doesn't seem to work in every room. Some rooms just won't allow it to find its buddy which is hooked up to the router. I would go ahead and try it. When it works it's great, just make sure you can return it easily in case it doesn't work.
Powerline Ethernet works well in most homes. Be sure to purchase the latest standard, HomePlug all rated at 200 Mbps PHY. This standard handles a variety of home wiring much more effectively. By the way, PHY is the raw data rate over the wires. Accounting for error correction and other overhead, the corresponding Ethernet rate is about 100 MB/s maximum. Of course, depending on the wiring in your house, your mileage may vary. Using HomePlug off, you can usually expect something in the 40 to 60 MB/s range for most circuits. One of the challenges with powerline solutions is that you don't have an easy way to determine how good the powerline links are, in other words, their capacity/speed. I found a solution from Plaster Networks that provides a really easy way to check the performance to any of the powerline adapters in your house. Very helpful for troubleshooting, especially for larger homes, homes with older wiring, etc. The troubleshooting tools are built right into the adapters.
I use it for my home network. My house has 2 phone jacks, kitchen and master bedroom, and my office is in between the two. So instead of using 802.11 grams for 2 desktops, I opted for Powerline. The DSL modem, tomato-based WRT54G and Powerline are safely under my bed along with the UPS. Other side of the Powerline is in the office and connects the 2 PCs. While the speeds aren't blazing, I get 100 MB between the 2 pieces, and no lag to the internet, including decent speeds with BitTorrent, downloading Linux ISOs.
I'm running 4 of D-Link's HomePlug units on my network, 2 DHV301 kits. I've been extremely pleased with the product since I bought them about 3 years ago. I literally bought 1 kit, used it for a week and was so pleased that I bought another and told all my friends. Smile! Your success will ultimately depend on the quality of the wiring in your home. For me, the performance in my bedroom, 2 floors above the file server, can be flaky at times and flawless at others. I rarely have problems otherwise. For standard internet surfing/downloading you'll never see an issue with the HomePlug technologies. The bandwidth they're easily capable of will most likely exceed your modem's bandwidth by a fair degree. For file transfers or streaming though, that's where it'll be a little slower than your standard gigabit network. I regularly stream video from my file server to both a PS3 and an Xbox. One of the big reasons that I went the HomePlug route was so that I didn't have to run cable through the walls. I know my skill set and I'm not exactly a handy person, so this was the perfect option for me.
Звуки звонка, 80 FM.